We're here at the new All Seasons Sales and Parts Center. They just finished this. Look at them all. Jayco everywhere. I mean, we're here. Yay, we're here. So let's see how they do with their warranty and how many years it will take to get this thing fixed. Talk to you later. We're here, yay. We're here. All right, just for continuity of this film production, we're going down to pick up the Jayco 175 RD that I brought in for warranty repairs of a blown water pump fuse. It just kept blowing on me. So I brought it down without scheduling right before Christmas. Just dropped it off and said, fix it. They said, sure. So this, and we really didn't need it. And we needed it next week, so I gave them a month and a half. We're going down to pick it up. They said it's repaired, and we'll see how All Seasons in Yuba City does stuff. So far, I have to give them a AAA. So Ernie, this one's for you. You guys called me back 3 or 4 times, and we'll see how it is. Going down now. Bye.
Down right there.
So we're heading down. This is going to be a quickie, I hope. We're heading down to pick up our 175 Jayco. Look at the road. It's an hour's drive out of the Sierras just to get there. So I'm going to try to take this moment to have comments about the Toyota Highlander towing this Jayco from my beloved wife next to me. So I'll start it by saying that in the 6 trips that we've taken, even though on the video I'm saying, oh, we're going to crash, oh, there's sway, we haven't had one problem with sway at all, even in the wind. And I say that because the sway that I'm talking about is just the natural wind pushing against the side of something this big. There wasn't any death wobbles. We do not have a sway bar. And the guy said we shouldn't need one. These things are real stable. We haven't had any issues with power or going uphill at whatever speed we want to drive. Gas mileage probably around 11, 12, right? Something like that. 11 or 12 miles a gallon on average towing. We've towed up to about 8,000 feet, down 8,000 feet numerous times. We've towed on back hills like we were now towing or driving. We haven't had any problems with the transmission nor the brakes. Anything to add to that, honey? How's the ride? How's the ride of it?
For the most part, yeah.
Smooth for the most part.
Shocks are working great.
Shocks are working great. Anything else to add to that? So for the Toyota Highlander people out there,
it is 65 degrees today.
65 degrees.
January 31st.
If you want to tow something, we're towing 2,900 pounds plus, so it's up to about 3,500 pounds full. We haven't had any problems with it, and it's a CVT transmission. That's the only worry is worry. You know what I mean? There isn't any problem. We haven't had a single moment of it's been smooth. But the worry is worry. In other words, I'm worrying about something that may or may happen. A CVT transmission towing a trailer has never been shown on YouTube. And so we've done 6 trips, like I said, 7,000 up and down these hills in the Sierras, and we're going on our 7th probably next week to the ocean. And that's why we're picking up our trailer today. And that's kind of like the explanation that people are asking about. Someone asked about a Durango. I don't know anything about Durangos. People are asking me about, what have people asked me about? Different things, and all I can say is I'm not an expert at all.
Keep you informed. We have
But we're documenting this, and put it on YouTube. So follow along. We may blow this transmission coming back. Who knows? Or we may be on trip 193 and it's still going strong. We're at 16,000 miles now on the car, 16,525. We're getting 19 miles a gallon without the trailer. And here we come into the flatlands of the Sierra foothills. There is that. Look at that. The same RV repair place. It's always packed. And we're going down to Yuba City to pick up our little 175 RD. So here we be. See you down there. We'll see how they did. Adios. Shit, that was stupid.
Buttes are those?
Okay, here we come to pick up our 175 RD at our favorite place in the whole wide world.
All Seasons RVs, parts and services.
RV. They're brand new lot.
Oh, look at that. They've been busy
Look at
selling
that.
off campers.
Ernie, the owner, and Ernie, the salesman. You guys, this one's for you. This is their brand new lot, by the way. I probably had the first video of it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Put a lot of money into it. Look at all the different Jaycos. And this place is just going to be a mega draw. Wait till they have a festival here. Get that, Ernie? A festival. Yes, a festival. So we're coming in. Look at this place. Beautiful. You guys did a great job. And we're going into the service to pick up our little Jayco. And we'll see you in a bit. Here we go. Oh boy, we're so excited. See ya. All right, we got our 175 RD back from the people of Jayco. They're all running away. He's running away. He's the main guy right there. And this is Tracy. That's a Highlander.
Yeah.
Now I want you guys to know all Seasons did okay. We brought it in and we said we needed it back by February. It's January 31st, and everything is done and we're ready to go home. So that's it. I give them an A+. Come on down and we'll finish this video up on the road. See you later.
That wicked witchcraft.
It's witchcraft.
And although I know it's strictly taboo,
It's taboo to get your trailer fixed so fast. But we got it back in due time from All Seasons in Yuba City. And this is the back side. And these are all the trade-ins.
and it's such an ancient
And it's such an ancient thing.
that
I would never miss.
There's no nicer witch than you.
And buying an RV from All Seasons in Yuba City. Come on down, talk to Ernie, the owner, light this place up on YouTube, share it. We're gonna have some fun. They fixed it and we're out. And here we go. Look at this place, brand new, everything. So that's it for our adventure of fixing the Jayco 175 RD. It was a staple in the water pump electrical system that shorted out,
What was that?
and they tracked it down and fixed it, and we're on the road again. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, we're just gonna go back to the tow back up the hills. These are rice paddies over there. They really are. Rice paddies. Yeah, you heard it right. And we're just cruising along. What are we doing? 60, 3,000 RPM. You can bring it down, still hit 60. We're behind a big old lumbering RV up there. Here's some cows over here. Pretty little cows. Look they're lying down. Some of them are lying down. That means we have rain coming in the next day or so. Actually, only a few. Look at all the pretty little birds. More rice paddies. And we're towing our 175 RD in our Toyota Highlander 2017 V6 with a CVT transmission. Thus, the emphasis on RPM and everything else. My wife's pointing to something important. I can't see it. But we just came back from All Seasons Yuba City with our little camper behind us, and we're preparing for next week, maybe, to go to the ocean in Humboldt County, a little place called Casper Beach. And if we do make it, I'll have to buy a fishing license and a pole, and we'll see what happens out there. We'll talk to you in a bit. Adios. Crash.
I was just pointing out it was 222.
Okay, I'm just going to film this because we're going up a pretty good incline, and I'm just going to show you the tack and just how it works. So I don't know. Let me change hands here. I'm not going to look at the tack, but I'm just going to show you. This is a CVT now, just downshift, and then it pops back down. And we're doing 60, and that's a pretty good incline. Looks like around 3,000 RPM. And now the lug, you can feel it lugging, but we're holding our speed and we're holding our RPM just fine. And here we go, up and over and down. So, I think this Highlander is a good fit. That was one of the questions. Is the Highlander a good fit for what we're towing? I think it is. If you're into small car towing, it's a good fit. We're having no problems, and it's a brand new car. It's a CVT transmission, so it's a fresh engine, fresh transmission. We'll know. We're going to be doing trip number 7, and when we start getting like trip 100, 150, then we'll know. Until then, we're just heading back. Look at this incline, and there's the RPMs. It holds. I'm telling you. Now just downshift, popped up to 4,000, back down to 3. Still doing, 59, 58, 60. And if you don't use your gas, it just adjusts. I'm telling you, it just adjusts. See, it's at 2,800 RPM. I'm still doing 55, 60. And there we go. Give it a little gas. Now this is steep. What are we at here? 38. And we're still popping up to around 60 miles an hour. And this is a straight climb up. So there it is. Then it shifts back down 2,000, 2,500 RPM, and I'm making this corner at like 55 miles an hour. It's just too fast, but no problems. 40 miles an hour there. So yeah, all I can say is that we're doing this to test out the CVT for Toyota, and just is singing the praises of the 175 RD bought at All Seasons in Yuba City. Because it's the right thing to do. Look at this. Look at this hill down now. Whoa, baby. Yeah, this is what we do just to get down to where we would have to go to tow it every day. Well, every time we leave the house anyway. And we are just screaming along. All right. Just wanted to show you the tack. That's the most important thing. Talk to you later in a bit.
I was looking at the temperature back there, 67 degrees.
This thing isn't turning off, baby. All right, the big event is finished. We got it back. We're parking in front of the front door, taking up all the parking because we want to clean it out, stock it up for next week if we go. There's the tank. 2017 Toyota Highlander CVT transmission, 8-speed. And a V6, I think it's 350 horsepower, something like that. Towing a 2,900 pound dry 175 RD Jayco. And there's the other Toyota. And that's why I call this one a tank. compared to this, that thing is dinky. This thing is huge. I mean, for a Highlander. First time I saw one of these cars was on a NASCAR Craftsman truck. Guy was standing in front of it. I said, man, that looks like a big Highlander. It was the new model. Compared to that one, it's a tank. So the tank and the trailer are home safely, letting it air out, clean out, and we're off to the beach. So for all seasons, I think they did a great job. We dropped it off and said we needed it by February. Today is the 31st of January, and we're ready. So 2 thumbs up for all seasons, 2 thumbs up for the Highlander. So far so good. And 2 thumbs up for the Jayco 175, which is probably the best floor plan in all small RVs. And just watch my other videos about that. We're going to go to Casper Beach soon, and that's over like 2 or 3 mountain ranges, and it's a heck of a tow for us, for any vehicle. All right, we'll see you on the road, and this is it. Thanks for watching. Adios.